hacks, guys. Yes, Ryobi hacks are live. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Capone AV, Daily Dose of Tools, for posting this. That's where I got this information. Yes, guys, they're live. Go get them. I will leave the link down below in the description section of this video. We do have the HP tools, the HP hack, and we do have the regular, tools. The cheaper one and the more expensive one. Let's go over the cheaper one first. That's what everybody's going to be interested on. All right, so we got the OnePlus 18-volt 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-pack charger kit. So this is a starter kit basically. We got the conventional, or not the conventional, the newer 4-amp-hour batteries. They do come with the nice fuel gauge there on the front, and we do have the charger there. It's a really basic kit. It does work. It works really well, especially with these fans, with these lights. It's a great item to have. All right, so you guys, I'll leave you guys the link, like I said, to both of these. You guys click on the free item. Obviously, there's not gonna be all of them here. All over here. That's the free item. That's where you're supposed to be clicking to get all these free tools. Choose your free tool. But obviously, all of them are not available now. All right. So to start here, we got the impact driver. We got the edge trimmer. I do have this edge trimmer. This thing's a beast. It is a little heavy on the heavy side, but it's very powerful. You got the inverter, so if your grid goes down, your blackout or whatnot, you can put a fan, a light, whatever, and you got a few batteries laying around. That's a really nice item to have inverter. You got the reciprocating saw. You got the angle grinder. Remember, guys, these are brush tools. Just the brushless is the light. That's the brushless one. That thing's a beast, by the way. The light, I do have that. Thing works really well. It's really powerful. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. You got like a Dremel tool. You got a sander, a radial. You got a weed whacker. You got a buffer. You got an inflator, jigsaw, multi-tool, circular saw, a router, a blower. So this is not going to be your most powerful blower. Just keep that in mind. These are great tools. A lot more. It says plus more. These are great tools to choose, especially this OPE like this one, inverter. Yeah, all those are really nice tools to have. Definitely check it out. It's worth it. If you guys want to hack it, you guys can do that. Just remember, guys, not all these tools are live now. So these are the tools that are currently as of now. You got the sprayer. So you got a 2-gallon chemical sprayer. It says valued at $73 down to $59, and especially with this deal, it's gonna drop even more to around $50. Same thing with this cordless battery fogger and mister tool. So if you guys want those items, and this is should be available at the stores. So I don't know if it's actually available now at the stores, but it should be available soon. So just keep that in mind. All right, so let's look at the other deal. These are the HP tools. This is a little bit more expensive. This is the OnePlus 18-volt lithium high performance starter kit with a 2-amp-hour, 4-amp-hour, and a 6-amp-hour charger in a bag. Guys, we haven't seen this before. This is actually new this year. It says Ryobi days. So this kit's gonna be $199, but it is gonna get you the HP tools. Is gonna get you the better, the newer, the stronger, the more efficient, fuel efficient, more MPG. All right, so you got the Intel technology, delivers up to 30% more power. Says includes a 6, a 4, a 2 high performance batteries, over 261 plus tools. All right, so on this one, all right, here's the thing. So you got Ryobi days. It says free OnePlus HP brushless tools. It's gonna include the new. It looks like the new die grinder, or what is it? Polish? Yeah, die grinder. I think it is, or polisher or something like that. I guess you can put different attachments on that edge. You got the oscillating tool. You got the, looks like the new edge trimmer there. Yeah, it looks like the new trimmer there. You get the reciprocating saw. This is the HP reciprocating saw. You got the impact. Oh, this impact wrench is gonna be bomb. It's gonna be good. Yeah, this impact wrench is gonna be definitely worth it. You got the blower. So this is the, I believe this yeah, this is one of the nicer blowers that they have. You got the angle grind brushless HP angle grinder. You got the looks like a hammer drill. Looks like the Dremel, like a little Dremel tool. The HP jigsaw. The weed whacker. That thing looks pretty good. The weed whacker. You got the impact driver. You got the ratchet, guys. You guys can select the ratchet. Nice. The long, the long extension neck ratchet. You got the circular saw. You got the chainsaw, guys. These are really nice tools. They're gonna drop down to around. My guess is they're gonna drop down to around $100. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna do that right now. We're gonna see if we can do the math right now and get you guys some numbers here. All right, so you got the batteries there, the battery kit there at the bottom. All right, let's go right here. It says select your free tool. 16 items, so this one's available. All right, guys, we got more tools. Other than those, we got some more tools over here. All right, so we got the Cordless 4.75 gallon wet and dry vacuum valued at $99. Obviously, this is not gonna be your better deal. Obviously, you want to choose something like this, more expensive. So you got the 10-inch cordless battery chainsaw. You got the blower, 110 miles per hour, 350 CFM. Got the 13-inch string trimmer. You got the 22-inch edge trimmer. You got there's a hammer drill. You got the extended reach ratchet. The impact driver, the angle grinder, the impact wrench, the 4-mode impact wrench. This is definitely worth it, the $169. You got the circular saw, 7 1/4. Got the right angle die grinder. Yeah, I knew what it was. It was just. Alright, so you got the jigsaw. Let's see what else. Alright. So out of all these, obviously the one that costs $169 is going to be the better one. The better deal. So this one's going to be, even the ratchet's going to be the better deal. Alright, so let's choose the impact wrench. This is the one that I want to get. Alright, remember guys, you guys got to buy before they sell out, because they will sell out. Trust me. There's a lot of Ryobi fans out there that will sell out. So you're going to add both to cart. Let's see the final price here. Alright guys, you're going to end up getting this impact wrench. If you guys hack this, you're going to be getting this impact wrench for $91.39. You're going to get these 3 batteries. A charger in a bag for $107, guys. Killer deals, guys. Go get them before they sell out, because these nicer tools will sell out and you will not see them again. So guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.